It's cool to be able to work on part of Christ Church's history. I always enjoyed it, just being able to build something and say I did that. It's cool to be able to work on something so sort of iconic to Christ Church.
It's really exciting. It's something I want to be a part of before I became a stonemason. Starting working on it, knowing that it'll be something I can show the kids in the future that I helped build this building and laid the stone on this building. Right now we're working on the tower, so we are deconstructing what's left of it. So during the earthquake, the majority of it fell down, and what's left came right down to the ground, so it can be rebuilt from scratch.
You know, the tower there was 63, 65 metres high, and I think just the sheer scale of that, I mean, all of that stone was hand quarried out of the local hills here, brought down here. It was worked by guys like us.
What I love about this job is you do a variety of things. You're working with your hands, it's a physical job. Sometimes it's extremely hard, sometimes it's not. You have to be extremely careful with things, and we're working with absolutely beautiful, wonderful carved stone.
Stonemasonry is one of the oldest trades. It's unique in itself that, you know, you learn about the stone, where it's quarried, where it's come from, either from a riverbed or from a mountain, all the way through to dressing it, cutting it, fitting it to size.
This building was started when Christ Church had very, very few people living in it, and the scale of it is enormous. It was the largest stone building in the Southern Hemisphere. What it represents in terms of a history of stonemasonry, both in Christ Church and New Zealand, is just amazing.
It's got a high profile site, so obviously there's really that feeling being around here. Lots of people coming in and taking pictures and watching your work.
It's physical, but it's rewarding. You can look at a job once you're finished, whether you did all of it or whether you've helped with part of it, and you've helped create that wall or that building. You know, this is going to be a fairly big project by the time it's done. All the old skills that we use, that we get to have a go at again, because there's not very often things like this are done.
There's a lot of hard work involved, but it can also be a really rewarding trade. Stonework's something that's quite unique, and it can be quite beautiful, and it's something that's going to be around for a long time.